Hello children, good morning. So children, in our today's class we will go through the remaining questions of this sample paper. So here is question number 4. In question number 4, part number 1 is dash is a tool to test what if analysis. What if question. So by which you are testing what if. Okay. So average function, it is not the part of what if. Macro is also not the part of what if. So Excel solver is also not the part of what if. In what if, three functions are there. One is scenario, one is goal seek, and one is your data tables. Okay, so out of these four, scenario is the correct answer. Next question is Rohit scored 25 out of 30 in English and 22 out of 30 in maths. He wants to calculate the score of IT. He needs to achieve 85% in aggregate. Suggest him the suitable options out of the following to do so. Children, look here. You will check. Already marks given in English and in maths. Third one remain, that is IT, and total percentage is 85. So if you remember, subtotal function we are using for calculating total, but here we want to calculate the percentage. Total percentage आना चाहिए 85. And here is goal seek, solver, and macro. Macro, repeated one. If you want to repeat same thing again and again, for that we are creating macro. Now solver and goal seek function. Children, here is goal seek function and solver. Solver we are using when we want to do changes in more than one value. There we are using solver function, and goal seek it work on one single value. This is the main difference between solver and goal seek. So here total percentage 85, ये भी fine, ये भी perfect है, ठीक है, means this one is also the definite one. So here you are doing changes only in one subject marks, that is IT subject. So means here we are doing changes in only one subject. So solver we are using when we want to do changes in more than one. There we are using solver. So correct answer here is goal seek. Goal seek basically work on only single value it can change. Next question is dash can be used in a spreadsheet software to jump to a different location when we want to jump from different location from within a spreadsheet, or it can lead to the other parts of the current file to different files, or even to the website. Children, when you want to move from one sheet to another sheet, we have learned about hyperlinks na. Hyperlinks we are using for jumping from one sheet to another sheet, from one page to website page. So means hyperlink. देखो अब link is also given. Filter totally wrong. Illustrations totally wrong. Now you are having one doubt कि मैम why link is you are not selecting. Link doesn't mean कि वो जो link है that one is the hyperlink. Hyperlink, as its name suggests, when you are clicking on that link, you will move directly on to that specific address. So link is not appropriate answer. Correct answer is your hyperlink. Hyperlink, as its name suggests, when you are clicking on that particular page, on that link, you will move directly or jump directly onto that particular specific page. Children, next question is dash uses the keyboard as a pointing device instead of mouse. There in that unit web applications we have learned na accessibility option. Different keys are there: sticky keys, filter key, toggle key, and mouse key. If any person is having problem in holding mouse, that person is not able to press the keys of the this right bar or left click, that person is not able to do these things properly. For that, what is their correct answer? Mouse keys. Here what we will do, in mouse key we will set left click, right click. From this keyboard we will set any key as left click and mouse click. In place of mouse, if you set mouse keys, and when you are pressing those keys from the keyboard, it will work similar to your mouse. So instead of using mouse, you will use mouse keys. Okay. Next is Krish and Kritika have done a survey of age-wise literacy rates of their locality as a school project, which they have created in a spreadsheet. They both want to work simultaneously on complete it on time. Children, they both are working in spreadsheet, and they both want to do the entry there in that same worksheet. So what option they will use to access the same spreadsheet? Spreadsheet वो कब use कर सकते हैं? जब वो workbook shared होगी, then only they are able to do changes. So here correct answer is your shared workbook. and rest of the three are totally wrong. Consolidate worksheet we are using when we want to calculate or we are taking the value from other worksheet. ठीक है, तो वो वाली worksheet होती है, that one is consolidated. And shared worksheet is, that one is shared and you will do the changes in the same copy of the worksheet. If you remember, one topic is there, that the comparing and merging of worksheet. So there we have done a shared worksheet. So if they both want to do the work in the same worksheet, for that they will use shared worksheet. Next is dash database is a type of database that store data in several tables. Children, if you want to save the data in the form of tables and these tables are linked to each other, then this type of databases are relational database. Okay, flat database, linking is not there. If we are saving the data in Excel, तो वो हो गया flat. None of them, totally wrong. Both A and B we will not select because data is stored in several tables and these tables are linked to each other. So this sort of relationship or this sort of databases are relational database. Okay, next is question number 5. In database, dash help us to retrieve or filter the data based upon some conditions. Children, what is query? Query is retrieving that data from the database and it is depend on certain condition. So form we are using, if we want the data from the user will enter the data, report hard copy, table in which we are storing the data, and query extracting the data from the database based on certain condition. Next is a dash is one which connects computer and devices in a limited geographical area such as home, school, computer lab, office building or closely positioned group of building. Here is, if you want to connect the computers in your school, so what type of network you will use? PAN, personal area network, range very low, so PAN we will not use. MAN, metropolitan area network, between two cities we can connect, हमें तो स्कूल में ही करना है. WAN, wide area network, between two countries we will use. Internet is the example of WAN type network. LAN, local area network, range is 5 to 10 kilometer. Within 10 kilometer range, if you want to connect computers, then this sort of network is our LAN. LAN stands for local area network. Next is, Rudraksh wants that the name column of a table must not be left blank. Help him to identifying the field property for this purpose. That in that particular column, value must be entered by the user. Length, total length बताता है. It will not. Format, what format you will use? For date and time we are using the format we will not use. Default होता है, that is class column. I know that you all are in 10th class, so I will place default 10. ठीक है. So now entry required. If you set this required property yes, it means user must enter the value in this particular field. So in your table you don't want any column left, you don't blank. ठीक है, you don't want any column be blank. So for this you have to place this required property yes. So correct answer is required. Next, dash can be set for a field if the user don't provide any value while entering the value in the table. If user is not providing any value and still you want to enter the value in that particular field in the table, ठीक है, so means user नहीं provide कर रहा but still you want to insert the value in that particular field. So for this, what property you will set? Format property. Format तो format set करता है. Primary key means does not be null, value होना चाहिए. And it is not a property, field property नहीं है ये. Default and required. Required means compulsory, you must enter the value in this particular field. But उसने क्या बोला है कि user will not provide any value, but value must be entered. So you will set that in that particular field, you will set default value. So user will not enter any value, default value automatic enter in that particular field. So correct answer is your default. Next, Adya wants to create a connection between two or more tables. Suggest her the option to accomplish this task. If you want to connect two tables, what you will do? Sorting करोगे? Not at all. Tables तो we are creating. Forms we are you creating for taking data from the user. ठीक है, relationship we will create so that with that relationship user, whatever the changes user is doing in one table, it will automatically done in the second table. So to create a connection between two or more tables, we will go through relationship option. Next our question is, The data type takes the value in the form of 0 and 1 in the database. Children, we have learned about so many data types. So out of these, if you want to place 0 and 1 value in that particular field, either you will use yes no data type or boolean होता है that in computer ना we are using bit byte. So bit is a combination of 0 and 1, and boolean algebra, if you remember in 8th class you have done 0 and 1. So in any particular field of the database you want value 0 or 1. So what data type you will choose? If in answer yes no data type is given, then that one is also correct. So in place of this boolean is also yes no data type. So correct answer is boolean data type. Next is here question answer, and each question is of 2 marks. Communication skill are very important for any business. Explain 2 elements of a communication process. Children, here communication cycle you have learned now that in communication, when we are communicating with someone, then complete communication cycle is there, communication process, how it goes. So in this there are various elements in the communication process. Sender is there, sender is sending message here is modem is converting analog to digital. Now it will move to channel is the medium by which data is moving. Now on the other side also modem is there, modem again convert that digital signal to analog signal. Here is receiver will take the data and give response. In the same manner, receiver and sender, they both are using analog signal. Now what receiver is giving, that one is also analog. Modem will again convert that analog to digital. It will give to channel medium जो लेके जाएगा. Again here modem will convert that signal to analog signal. So here is your message again, and then sender will receive. So in question you have to explain any 2: sender, message, channel, receiver, and feedback, that acknowledgement given by the receiver and the response to the message that yes, your message I received. So this is feedback. So out of these any 2 you have to explain. Mention any 2 misconceptions about the entrepreneurship. Any 2 myths about entrepreneur. What are the misconceptions? That every business idea need to be unique or special. It doesn't true. That if user is having any idea and he is having the quality, he is having the ability to work smartly on that idea, then that person will also establish a business, and that person will also do business successfully. Second misconception is that person needs lot of money to start a business. This second myth, that it is not compulsory. You will take loan from the banks, and with that also you will start your business with little amount. Third misconception is that only a person having big business is an entrepreneur. If any person is having a small business, that person will also an entrepreneur. That person is also grow his business. So third misconception. And fourth is that entrepreneur are by birth. Okay, so this one is the misconception. Any two you have to write. Goal settings is a very essential factor in your personal life. List all the smart methods to set a goal. Children, here goal setting is very essential factor. What are the smart goals? Here this is smart. Here in this smart you will check what is the meaning of S. S is specific. Your goals, whatever goals you are selecting now, that you want to be successful, whatever goals you are selecting, your goals must be smart goals. Specific होने चाहिए, measurable होने चाहिए, achievable होने चाहिए, real होने चाहिए, time bound, and in the given time limit only you will achieve those goals. So these are the goals. Whatever goals you are selecting, they must be smart goals. So here what is the meaning of A? A is achievable. What is your big goal? What is your goal? You will divide that goal into small parts and try to complete your task, just similar to your having board exam. So that one is your goal. And achievable means that daily if you are doing your work, daily if you are studying, so it means you will achieve it in the given time limit. Next question is, what are the measures to increase the performance of a computer system? If you want to increase the performance of your computer system, how you can? So for this you have to remove any extra file is there, and temporary files, images that is not in use, you will use disk cleaner software. If any unnecessary file, you will remove that particular file. Next, how can an individual contribute to sustainable development goal? How you can protect your environment? Children, it is your responsibility. You will do your efforts, and you will explain this to other, and you will take good quality education, and if you know the methods you have to follow. So individually if you are doing at your level, and in this manner we can attain these sustainable development goals. Next question is differentiate between relative and absolute hyperlink. Children, absolute hyperlink and relative hyperlink. Absolute hyperlink is that in my sheet only, here hyperlink will stop working only if the target is moved. Okay, absolute means in the given sheet only you are giving link and you are moving in that particular sheet. And relative hyperlink is when we are giving link to another worksheet and when we are moving to that worksheet, so that type of hyperlink is relative hyperlink. If I am giving only the name of my site, so that one is absolute hyperlink. If I am giving complete path, that one is relative hyperlink. Okay, relative means that the page to which I am giving link that is at different location, so that type of hyperlink is relative hyperlink. Next is, what is the utility of text wrapping in a document? Children, you all have seen these newspapers. In newspaper you have seen now that image is also there and text is also there. So this is the example of text wrapping. Text wrapping is a method by which we can relate any graphics to the surrounding text. ठीक है, text wrapping you all have seen newspaper में image is also there, text is also there. So this process of arranging the image in that with text, so this is known as text wrapping. As its name suggests, text को क्या करना है, wrap करना है with image. Okay, so this is text wrapping. Next is, what is the use of macro in a spreadsheet? If you want to repeat the same task, same set of tasks again and again, in place of this what you will do, you will create your macro. Next is, two advantages of online shopping. Advantages of online shopping, no need to go there on visit on the stores, time saving हो गया, convenient है, availability, and next is your time saving and easy to purchase, easy to refund, and next is so many varieties are there. So these are the advantages. Next is differentiate between primary key and foreign key. Primary key, that uniquely identifying the value in the given table, and foreign key is the, we can say, the primary key of another table. In a table primary key must be one, foreign key might be possible more than one because so many tables we are connecting in the database. Next is define the following Wi-Fi and WiMAX. Children, Wi-Fi is the method by which we are taking the data wirelessly. Wi-Fi, as its name suggests, full form is wireless fidelity. WiMAX, worldwide interoperability, and interoperability, here this one is also wireless communication, and here it provides us the, when we are connecting or when we are taking data from across two cities, two countries, then that one is WiMAX. WiMAX is the big form of Wi-Fi. Next is elaborate 4 different types of styles which can provide in a word processor. Children, you have to explain different types of styles. You will check what is a style. Style is a method. If you want to do changes in the color, in the font, in the say size of any particular text, either you will do it manually or you will use style format. Here you will check style, that if I am applying style on complete paragraph, then that one is paragraph style. On character I am changing the font size and color, text bold, italic, or any specific character, then character style. On complete paragraph, if I am doing line spacing I am placing, border I am placing, then paragraph style. On any specific cell I am doing, then on a specific cell I am changing font, alignment, color, background, किसी specific का किया, then that one is cell style. Graphics style, in the drawing I am doing shadow मैंने place किया, transparency I am placing, and I am placing border or to that specific graphic, so that one is graphic style. Okay, next is define the following subtotal function and consolidating function. Subtotal function क्या होता है, that I am having one table and in this table in April month I am giving this amount to you, March में this amount, Feb में this amount, this one is in Jan month, and this one is again April month. Now you are asking me कि ma'am you will tell me the subtotal. Subtotal means month wise you want to calculate total, then we are using this subtotal function. In subtotal we can do the following functions. We can place count, min, max, we can apply. Next is your consolidating function. Consolidating क्या होता है, that I am placing your data in sheet 1, your term 1 marks, your term 2 marks. Now I want to calculate your consolidate data. ठीक है. I am replacing your consolidated data means I want data from this sheet also, from this sheet also, and in this sheet here I am calculating your result. I want total marks, term 1 marks plus term 2 marks. So this thing is possible with the help of consolidating function. Okay, this one is consolidating data. I am taking data from different tables, from different sheets. What precautions must be taken to improve online security? Online security, how we can protect? You will use antivirus or anti-spyware in your program, in your computer. Place a strong password. Online security, secure transaction, never share your information with your friends. Use encryption software to protect your data from unauthorized user, like your password. Next question is, what is DBMS? Two advantages of DBMS. DBMS is database management system, and by this we are managing our database. So this is DBMS. Advantages: data integrity and data sharing is there, reduced data redundancy, reduced data duplicacy, redundancy, and sharing is also easy. So many advantages are there. Next is, the structure of the item table is given below, such as the data type and the size of each column. Children, here you will check, few data types are few column name are given. You have to set the data type and their size. So here item name कैसा होगा? Text type, text limit is 255 character. Price कैसा होगा? Text price. Number type, and if we are using this in DBMS you have to write, so वहाँ पे क्या हो जाएगा? नंबर की जगह data type integer. And if we are using quantity integer type, price integer type, name varchar type, and item number is also varchar type. Okay, next is, consider the following table. Here one table is there. Write the following query. Display the details of each item whose price is less than 50. Price is less than 50. So here price कैसे निकलेगा? Price is less than 50. 1 and 2, only 2 are there na. So what command I will write? Select star means all, from table name. What is the name of the table? Table name given item, from item where price is less than 20. Again I will write select star means all the record, from table name is item where, by this we are giving condition with the where price is less than 20, less than 50, less than 50. ठीक है, so less than 50 you will write. First is, display the total amount of each item. The amount must be calculated as the price multiplied with the quantity of each item. Here children, here you will check, you have to display the total amount of each item. Total amount, when you multiplying this price with quantity, then by this you will calculate your total item. How we can place? Either you will place here formula. It is there in database, not formula. So how you can write this query? You have to write it like this, that select price, ठीक है, from price into quantity. Select price into quantity from item. Okay, what does it means? You have to select, what to select? Select price into quantity from item table, from table name is item, and semicolon you have to place at last. And this one is the second query. Select star from table name where price is less than 50. First is, you have to calculate the total amount by multiplying price with the quantity. So what you have to write? You have to write select, किससे multiply करना है? Price with quantity from table name is your item, and at last semicolon you have to place. Like this you have to do. Okay children, with this complete sample paper we have discussed. Now I hope you will understand each and every question. I don't think so any doubt you are having. If still you found any problem, you will tell this to me. I will repeat this thing. Okay, I will repeat that specific question again, and we will do this practice of this MySQL in class also. So okay, thank you children for listening this. Thank you.